Hey everyone, it's Rob with Passport to the Parks, and I am back here at Disney's Hollywood Studios to check on the Disney Skyliner progress again. It is Wednesday, November the 14th, and they definitely have run some more cabling here. The main haul rope is definitely run between the Caribbean Beach and Hollywood Studios, so I'm going to turn you around. We'll take a look at it, and we'll talk a little bit about it. So here we go. I'm standing right in the center of the Hollywood Studios parking lot, and this is one of the main towers going through the lot. You can see that the cabling is much thicker coming through the sheaves here, or the wheels, the pulley system. This is the main haul rope. So this is what they were doing overnight, is they pulled this rope from the Caribbean Beach, which is down there, and they ran it, let me widen out a little bit, they ran it through the towers here, all the way down into the station at Hollywood Studios. Now there's not full tension on the haul rope yet. It's kind of hard to see from here, and we're not really allowed to get too far down towards the clearance there. But the cabling is actually dropped through the wooded area there. And what they're going to do, it's called a splice, and this is a multi-day process. And Doppelmayr, who is the company who is installing everything here, has to bring in very specialized people to do this splice. It's a very intricate process, takes a long time to do, and there's only a few people actually that are really qualified to do this. So what they do is they come in, and there's all these steel cables that are wound tightly, and there's a whole lengthy process to where they intertwine and they join these two cables together, and it's called a splice. And that way the cables are pulled taut, and then it's absolutely ready for the gondola system and everything to operate on. Now, if you did see my video the other night, I did get the first run of one of the gondola arms going across. Now that wasn't at full tension, that was just to test the cabling as they moved across the sheaves. So that was an actual test run, but it wasn't an actual gondola run. So there's a lot of people saying that the haul rope wasn't actually pulled yet, but there it is. It is here. They did pull it that night. It just has not been spliced yet. That is another part of the process. So here we go. Get some pretty good views of it. Let me get you a little closer up here so you can see the thickness of the cable. Now it's going to be cool once they do the gondolas, the gondola testing. They'll do a full load test, which is where they put all the gondolas on the haul rope. They'll weight it down with water weights, and it'll be at full capacity, full load, and they'll run this system as hard as they can, basically to see what kind of stress, any sort of vibrations in the tower, stress on the haul rope, everything that you can imagine. They're going to go through a whole testing process. So stick with me, and we will definitely be checking all that out along the way. All right, so there you have it. There is our next update. The haul rope has definitely been pulled here between Caribbean Beach and Hollywood Studios. I'm so excited about this. I really hope you guys checked out that awesome video that I took the other night. It was just a lot of fun seeing, it's just like a historical moment of seeing that first gondola arm going over the towers. I was really excited about it, and I hope you guys were too. Definitely check out PassportToTheParks.com. You see all kinds of cool pictures, videos, everything that I'm doing here. It's a lot of fun. Subscribe over on YouTube. Definitely leave some likes, some comments, all that great stuff. I always appreciate that, and that's where you're going to find most of the stuff that I do about the gondola system here. So definitely keep up with me here. Passport to the Parks. You're going to see everything you want to know about the Skyliner. I bring you up-to-the-minute stuff. Got some really cool videos and stuff happening. And as always, I really do appreciate you guys being here, and we will talk to you very, very soon. Bye-bye.